Hello, this is Muhammad Bakri and welcome to a new video. Our video today is in Egyptian dialect and we are going to discuss the 15 most used verbs in Egyptian dialect. Okay, of course we have just chosen 15 in our opinion. They are used a lot in the language and it's very important to know these verbs. The first one is sa'ala. Sa'ala, it means he asked, and of course the conjugation will be هو يسأل, he asks, أنا أسأل, I ask, هي تسأل, okay, هم يسألوا, إحنا نسأل. And if you're not very familiar with the present tense, you can check the link in the description below for our last video for the present tense in Egyptian dialect. And you can, of course, the present tense can start with ba. Most of the time it starts with ba, okay, and you can remove the ba. So I can say أنا بسأل, I ask, هي بتسأل, هو بيسأل, هم بيسألوا. Okay, so you can check the conjugation. The second one is wasal, wasal, to arrive. And if I want to say I arrive, okay, it will be أنا بوصل, بوصل, هو بيوصل, هي بتوصل, هم بيوصلوا. Okay, wasal is to arrive. اشتغل, it means to work. أنا بشتغل. Okay, if you want to say I work as, okay, an engineer, for example, you will say أنا بشتغل مهندس. Muhandis means an engineer. We will write it. Okay, so muhandis is an engineer. So if you want to say I work as blah blah blah, it would be like أنا بشتغل مهندس. And it's different from in standard Arabic, because in standard Arabic it's the verb عمل, it means to work actually. And but in Egyptian dialect عمل, it's the verb to do or to make, but it's not to work, because work is يشتغل, هو بيشتغل, it means he works. But هو بيعمل, it means he's doing something, he does something, he makes something. So هو بيعمل, أو هو هي بتعمل, هم بيعملوا. عمل is one of the most used and most important verbs. You have to conjugate this, and this is a very easy verb because it's 3 consonant letter verb in the past, so the conjugation is very standard. So you have to conjugate this, and if you have problems you can write in a comment with the conjugation. So عمل is actually to do or to make. And please, for you who studied standard Arabic, don't mix this with to work, because in standard Arabic it means to work. So the next one is akala, akal or kal. Both forms are used, but the most often it will be kal. Kal, it means he ate. It's to eat in the past. Kal, ana bakul, bakul. So we have to write this because, so here is the conjugation, okay, with ana, okay, ana bakul, هو بياكل, هم بياكلوا, إحنا بناكل, we eat, إحنا بناكل. I just wrote here the conjugation for this verb because it's a little bit difficult, because it's kal, it's not a popular verb. It's not this is not the so I wrote the conjugation here because this verb is a little bit irregular. So it's kal, so باكل, أنا باكل, هو بياكل, هم بياكلوا, إحنا بناكل. It means we eat. Okay, so here number 6 is شرب. شرب, it means he drank, okay, in the past of course. And to drink, so يشرب, هو بيشرب, هي بتشرب, أنا بشرب, هم بيشربوا, means they drink. The next one is بقى, بقى, and this one is actually, it's used a lot and it has different meanings actually, but the meaning that's used the most is to become. أنا ببقى, هو بيبقى, هي بتبقى, بقى, and it's actually also a filler word, but we will make a video for just this verb because it's used in a lot of different it has a lot of different meanings, and it's used a lot in the Egyptian dialect, but the standard meaning is to become. Okay, the next one is يعني. يعني, it's also a filler word, but it's a verb to mean something. Okay, يعني, this form is in the present, and why I wrote it in the present actually because it's used a lot in the present. It's not used in the past, and it's actually a filler word. So if you're talking to an Egyptian guy or a girl, so they will say, and they will use most of the time as a filler word يعني. يعني, it means, it's like in English I mean. So يعني is to mean, okay, and فهم is to understand. But if you want to say I understand, you will use the active participle. It will be أنا فاهم. It will not be used it will not be conjugated with the present tense a lot. And if you're not familiar with the active participle, you can watch our video, and it's in the description below. We made a video for the active participle. And the next one is al. Here the qaf, actually in the Egyptian dialect, it's not pronounced like qaf in standard Arabic, but it's pronounced like al. He said, it's in the past. al يقول, هو بيقول, he says. هي بتقول, إحنا بنقول, we say. Okay, so this is the verb al, to say, very important, of course. The next one is قدر. قدر, it's like he could, it's to be able to do something. So أنا بقدر, I can do blah blah blah. So it's أنا بقدر, هو بيقدر, هم بيقدروا. It's conjugated, it's very standard because it's 3 consonant root, a 3 consonant verb in the past. So the conjugation is very standard. And the next one is فتح. فتح means he opened. Okay, يفتح, to open. هو بيفتح, he opens. هي بتفتح. Okay, هم بيفتحوا, they open. Okay, the opposite of it is قفل. يقفل, to close something. Okay, هو بيقفل الباب. Okay, he closes the door. هو بيقفل الباب. Okay, bab means door. It's باء, ألف, باء. Okay, so قفل is to close. The last 2 verbs are باع. باع means he sold. Actually, it's in the past. It's to sell something, and here is the conjugation, because I know this verb, because of the alif in the middle, makes this verb irregular. So أنا ببيع means I sell. أنا ببيع, هو بيبيع, هم بيبيعوا, إحنا بنبيع, we sell. Okay, this is the conjugation in the present. It's to sell. يبيع. Okay, so اشترى. Here there is a tip for you. Is the ya here, you will tell me, okay, this is ya, and you pronounce it like alif. اشترى. Okay, this is a rule in Arabic. Some words ending with ya, it's pronounced like alif. It's اشترى. We call it alif layena, but this is not important. The name of it is not important. But sometimes this will be pronounced like alif, not all of the time. So اشترى means he bought. It's in the past, and the conjugation, this is not irregular. أنا بشتري, I buy. هو بيشتري. But here when we put it in the present form, actually we replace this sound like alif with ya. So أنا بشتري, هو بيشتري, هم بيشتروا. Okay, and هم بيشتروا, إحنا بنشتري. Okay, so these are in our point of view, these are the most commonly used 15 verbs in the Egyptian dialect. I hope this video has been useful to you, and I hope to see you in other videos, and thank you for watching.